Check it out, MIG-toes. Generator. Woohoo! According to the troubleshooting tree, whoops, there's a little diaphragm up back here that controls the propane getting into the carburetor, and it like turns that 10 inches of water, I think, that the propane tank regulator supplies, and it turns it into atmospheric, which is then sucked through the carburetor through this little hose. Cool. I've been having to start this thing with ether, and I do not like doing that. I'm very careful with it. I've never blown anything up doing it, but it's not something I like to do. So cool. And it turns out that the vent line for that diaphragm was plugged, just like it says in the service manual. And here is the plug right here. Notice how it's full of dirt. And I just cut it off right here, and I'll just stick a little union in between the two as soon as I get this bottom section blown out. I still have my air compressor, so I'll just fire it up and blow this thing out. Good times. So if anybody is interested in how to fix one of these things, you can fix possibly a hard starting issue like that. Good times.